Greetings everyone, my name is Bongisizo Buthelezi. I will be doing a demonstration for the blockchain artifact. This is a system that I have developed for pharmaceutical supply chain to mitigate drug counterfeiting in the pharmaceutical supply chain. So now, this is the blockchain system user guidelines that you can follow. We have 5 steps. Step number 1, manufacturer registration. Step number 2, SAPRA, regulatory authority verification. Step number 3, distributor transaction. Step number 4, pharmacist dispensing. Step number 5, the patient verification. So I will be going through these steps over my link here. You can click this link, you just hit Control and hit enter, then it will take you through this link right here. So now, once you have opened the system or the app, it shows you that this is the button for the regulatory body. This will be the button for the manufacturer page. This is the button for the distributor page. This is the button for the pharmacist. Then this is a button for the patient. So let's begin. Our steps, our guideline says that we start at the manufacturer. The process starts by the manufacturer, where they register the drug. Or the name of the drug, you give it a name. So this one will be painkiller. Then it was manufactured by manufacturer ABC. This is the name of the manufacturer. The location is in Cape Town. The batch size they manufactured 20,000. The manufacture date 23 March 2026. Then the it will expire on the 23rd of 4 2030. Then you can click create. Once you click create, then the batch ID appears. You can copy it because you will be using it to track this medication. Then you click OK. Then it appears in your list. If you want to create more, you will have more in your list. Then now the second step is to go to the regulatory body web page, whereby now you can see that the painkiller is available, is waiting for SAPRA approval. You can approve or you reject. Once you approve it, it comes here. It is now available for distribution. So meaning that now you can also check the information about it. So this is the information that shows us that it was created by the manufacturer. Now the SAPRA has approved. So every transaction that you do, it will be recorded on this block. So meaning that's why now we have this blockchain at the end. So meaning that now, because SAPRA has approved, then now the distributor can come and distribute this medication. But then the distributor, I have entered the distributor name, which is Sizwe Buthelezi. The distribution name is here as Buthelezi ABC. Then now I will be able to ship this to hospital or mark this one as delivered if I have reached the destination. But then because now this is a new medication, so let me ship it to the hospital. And then once I arrive at the hospital, I will have to mark it as delivered. Then the transaction will be added on the blockchain. Then now the pharmacist can log in. So as you can see now, I have entered the hospital name. Then I have added the location of that hospital. Then now it gives me access to dispense this painkiller at the hospital level. Then if I click dispense, now it asks me for the patient name. Then I enter Sipho as my patient name. Then I click OK. It asks me for the doctor. Enter the prescribing doctor, which is Dr. Smith in this case, who will dispense this medication. Then I click OK. Then now the information is recorded on the blockchain again. Then it means that the next step is to go to the patient website or web page, and then have to add that batch to verify the medication that I'm tracking. Then I click verified. Then it shows that the medication is verified. The drug name is painkiller. This is the batch number that I have copied. It shows me the manufacturer name, but I can also view the complete journey from manufacturer until the end. So it shows that this is the security, because this is the blockchain hash. For each and every transaction that is happening, there will be a transaction ID for that particular transaction. But then this is the blockchain that the blockchain hash that contains all this entire information. So meaning that now we can see that at the manufacturing, it started the process. Then the patient, the participant is the manufacturer ABC, Cape Town is the location. Then now the time was also recorded. So now this is the hash ID, transaction ID. Then now it went to the quality check. It was tested. It passed that. Then it is recorded on the system. And then it went for approval by SAPRA. The request was sent. Then SAPRA looked at it and approved it. Then the recording, the information was recorded. Then it was shipped to hospital by the distributor. Then there was a transaction ID for that transaction. Then as soon as it was delivered to the hospital, there was the transaction that created on the blockchain. Then it was dispensed to the patient by Dr. Smith. The location of the hospital is there, and then the transaction ID was also created. So now this is whereby it shows us that these transaction IDs, because they are built by the previous transaction, so meaning that there's a link. Once you try to change the information there, that's why now it won't correspond. It will show that this is not the original information that was put. But for the reason that we still have this medication as verified, it shows that it is still the original. So that's how now you can be able to check these transactions. So you can go to your the SAPRA or the regulator there. They will see that now the entire the medication is delivered, because the status says that it is dispensed. So they can also view the same information that was viewed by the patient. The entire blockchain is there. So that will be the end of the demonstration. Thank you.